So our experience with Gambone's custom home improvement was fabulous. We had someone else do our kitchen, and that worked out okay, but we were looking for something that had better quality, a better experience and professionalism, and got very fortunate in contracting with Tony and his crew, because they brought the professionalism we were looking for. They brought new ideas to the things that we already had. Their construction and their methods for keeping things clean and for actually performing the work were outstanding. So we were absolutely thrilled with the results. They were paid attention to a lot of detail, things that we wouldn't normally see. They would bring to our attention. We would address them together, and made significant improvements in the results. So at the moment, we feel we got way more out of it than we had anticipated. Plus, we got some great friends, because Tony runs his team and his company from his own heart. So it's lots of integrity. They really want to do a good job. And our experience is they did an outstanding job. So we're thrilled with all of the work and the ideas and the results.